A lot of people say the same thing after a lot of years in a relationship. The spark is gone. She doesn't want to be with me. Emotionally, you're more like roommates. And honestly, sometimes the problems are way more predictable than you would like to admit. Because relationships usually don't collapse in a day. They slowly disconnect. You stop listening, stop paying attention, you stop flirting, stop dating, stop noticing. And then eventually somebody says, I don't feel like you want me. But here's the hard truth. A lot of people want a deep connection while putting in no emotional effort. They want passion without attention or effort. They want to be close without speaking. You want to be excited while your partner is unemotional, unavailable. Sometimes your partner isn't asking for perfection. Sometimes they just want to feel seen, to feel heard, to feel appreciated, to feel desired, to feel emotionally safe. And what's crazy, so many relationships can improve if you slow down, put the phone down, and listen. Not fake listening, you're not listening to talk. Really listening. Paying attention, learning your partner again, becoming curious, asking questions, ask them on a date, touching them, laughing, giving a shit. After 10 or 20 years, people change. That routine is the routine. The distance starts to grow quietly. A lot of people are waiting for some breakthrough moment in their relationship. But what fixes relationships? Small little efforts. A hug, conversation, listening, compliment, walking, holding hands, an apology, date night. Turn your phone off. Those little things repeated consistently reconnect. And if your relationship is struggling, before you blow it all apart while chasing something that's not real, ask yourself, when did you stop showing up emotionally? Sometimes your relationship is starving for neglect, not lack of love. If you're starting over like me, you have to start doing something different if you want different results. If you're starting over, type I'm in so I know that you're in, so I can see you. You can reach me at erichobaugh@gmail.com. It's in the bio below or above, depending on where you're watching this. I help men and women in Gen X reconnect. I'm an accountability coach. It is what I do. I appreciate y'all watching. I'll see you on the next one.